Hello friends. Today, we will learn how to download free HD themes for Windows 8 or 10. Before we start our today's video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and also like this video. Let's start our today's tutorial. First of all, you have to right-click on desktop window. Select personalization. Select theme. Click on Get More Themes in Microsoft Store. Now, you can see that there are thousands of free themes. There are so much themes of different categories. Select any theme which you like. Let's suppose, we want to download this theme. You have to click on Get option. Now, click on Install. You can see sample screenshots of this theme. Let's suppose we also want to download this theme. Select Get. Click on Install option. Now, our themes are being installed. You can also see sample screenshots of this theme. Now, our themes are installed. In order to change the desktop theme, you have to right-click and select Personalization. Select Themes. You can see that our installed theme are displaying. Now double-click on the theme you want to display on desktop. You can also change the background by right-clicking. Now click on Next Desktop Background. You can see that our desktop background are being changed. This is our today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe this channel.